Hi, I'm Austin from Brown's Volkswagen. This is a Lincoln MKC. This Lincoln MKC is a 2017 with 79,000 miles on it. It's in very good condition. It has keyless entry on all doors as well as remote start. All right, let's hop on in. All right, so it has push to start. All right. It has plenty of features. Like I said, in the audio section, access to Sirius radio. You can control Bluetooth from the screen. Connect your phone through Bluetooth and hook up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This car also has heated seats. Down here we have 2 USB ports and a regular car charger. Plenty of space down in here in the center console with another car charger port in there. And the dash, it has features that you can customize per person. So you want to look at your fuel economy, and you can also customize this center screen, looking at what you're listening to on the radio, the compass attached to your phone, and many people like the speedometer feature. All right, in the back seats, gonna have some space back here, air vents, and a car charging port, cup holders, back here you got a backup camera, as well as an electronic hatch. This one comes with your regular mats and rubber mats as well, and has an additional charging port back here. Underneath here you're going to get your spare tire. If you are interested in this 2017 Lincoln MKC, just give me a call.